kind of sad that someone who studied engineering, a much needed and lucrative position, has decided to instead spend his time creating a thirst trap. I think this is a great time to remind all of you to not live your life by someone else's standards, right? Because there are pros and cons to every job. Like, you might think that one job is secure, but now we're seeing massive layoffs, especially in sectors that we thought were like traditionally very stable, like the tech sector. And we all get to choose what security, happiness, and fulfillment means to us. Like, even when I was studying engineering, I knew I didn't want to be an engineer, but I was around a lot of creative people and I was like, oh man, I like this. I like this energy that they have. I wanted a job that I could do remotely and wouldn't take up all my time and, would let me do things like pick up my daughter from school at the end of the day, or go work out with my partner during the day. I'd much rather live a less extravagant life with less material things and be able to enjoy the time that I have with it. And let's be real, the life I live probably wouldn't work for some of y'all. Like, yes, it's fun and creative, but there's also a lot of volatility and instability, and you have to learn to be okay with that. But I'm also working on the life I want to live, and I recognize the job I want to do in the future might change, and I'm okay with that.